Okay, so right now I'm going to get the log burner going. I'm going to use the top-down method, which has some benefits. The beauty of it is that you can just set it and leave it. You don't have to keep faffing around with your fire to keep it going, get it all burning. And another benefit is that it heats up the flue quicker, which means that it eliminates the cold plugs, which causes back pressure down the flue, and it creates lots of smoke in the house, or while the flue heats up, you know. So let's get going. I've just cleaned out the burner a little bit. There's still a couple of bits of wood in there which are unburnt from yesterday. So what I'm going to do is pop some big-ish logs on the bottom. Make sure there's space for airflow. Smaller logs, whack them in there. And then dump some kindling on top. Going to randomly place firelighters in there. Got some paper as well. See, I've randomly put the firelighters in and put some paper in there as well. Okay, and that's that. What I'm going to do now is just close the door and leave it open slightly. Right, I'll come back to that in a couple minutes and it should be going. Right, well, it's only been a couple of seconds and that's nearly going now. Got to wait for some of that kindling to catch and then fall down. It should be good. Just check the flue. Yeah, that's heating up. Nice. Yeah, so there we have it. That's the top-down fire method. After about 5 minutes of that burning away, close the door and it's good to go all night. Fire.